So in this video, you'll learn how to enable dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to turning dark mode on is to simply go ahead and launch the settings app. From here, you're going to scroll and select the option display. And at the very top, you should see the feature that you're going to use to enable dark mode. So currently it's set to light. So to switch to dark mode, you're just going to tap on that option and your tablet will adapt to the changes. Alternatively, you can always choose to tap on dark mode settings, and then you can create your own custom schedule for turning dark mode on. So between a certain period of time, dark mode will be enabled, and then once it reaches another period of time, dark mode will be disabled. So just tap on the toggle to enable turn on as scheduled, and then you have the default schedule, which is sunset to sunrise. From 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., dark mode will be enabled. After 6 a.m., dark mode will be turned off. Alternatively, you can always choose to select custom schedule and then tap on set schedule and create your own start and end time for dark mode. Once you've created that, you can just tap on done. And now depending on the time stamps that you've chosen, that's when dark mode will be activated and deactivated. Alternatively, if you choose to just have a quicker way of enabling dark mode, you can always just use the quick settings panel. So to do that, just swipe down from the top of your screen until you find quick settings. And then next to the screen brightness slider, you should see a moon icon. This is the icon that you use to enable or disable dark mode. So when you tap on it once and it switches to a white color, it means that dark mode has been turned on. You'll also notice that your device has also adapted to the changes dark mode normally brings. If you want to turn off dark mode, then you can go back to the quick settings panel, tap on that moon icon again, and dark mode will be disabled. And again, you can see the changes being adapted on your tablet. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to be using dark mode with the different ways that you can choose to enable it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.